look at this typical British weather, British countryside, very wet. Where are we going? We're going to the... So many noises.
Getting used to all the noises.
So many noises when you're driving along. When you're driving along in a motorhome camper, I'm sure you hear rattles, you hear thuds, like constantly wondering what the hell is that? Did I strap something down? Did I close the cupboard? Yeah, not good, not good. We're on the way to our second campsite of this.
Which one's that then, James?
I ain't got a clue. I don't know where we're going.
We're going to Coombs Valley campsite. So we're making our way further up north from the Midlands because we're headed towards Manchester, which is where we're going to see The Weekend.
This is the first trip out in Benny, so we stopped in Castle Water last night. We did a little van tour. If you haven't seen that, go check out that video, or I'll pin it somewhere, or whatever these YouTubers do. And yeah, I'm really hoping that wherever we stay next, the weather gets a little bit better than this. So, it's a very rainy, very wet day. Where are we?
Coombs Valley.
Coombs Valley. This is the second night we're staying at a campsite.
We're definitely in the middle of the countryside, and I've forced James on a very wet walk.
Wet walk. Very wet walk. Obviously, we have wet clothes on. How are we going to put them in there, not get the place completely soaked, and keep them dry? There wasn't a lot of shower hooks, I noticed, in the shower, so we might have to fit some hooks to the shower. So Annie has come up with a fantastic plan that we're gonna eventually, when we get off this walk, you can see this, I don't know if this is a river or a reservoir or what, but there's a big body of water there anyway. We're going to go back, figure out drying these clothes off, and we're going to get cozy in Benny, have some dinner and have some wine. That's the plan. Have to come back to the camera, of course. I imagine on a sunny day, this place is very nice. I mean, it's very nice anyway, but you know what I mean. We're back at the campsite. It's definitely got worse out here. This is our pitch. We have a lovely little pitch. It's a shame. It's just a shame the weather's like this, because this would be beautiful on a sunny day, but here we are, getting soaked. We do have electric hookup, and there's a water hose, a garden tap for obviously the hookup. So we have got electric, we have got water. It is a lovely little site.
Don't need to wash my hair tonight.
But it's really nice. Right now, the main challenge is how are we going to keep the inside of this nice and clean and dry, which is obviously what we've been doing for how. So I'll let you tackle it first. I'll just stand out here. Yeah. Big shake. One-handed. The shoe thing is becoming a bit of a problem. Right, so we're inside and we are cozy. The main thing, obviously, was trying to get the clothes dry. I've decided to hang my trousers here. The hats go there. The shoes we're actually putting in the shower because it's very dark in here. Hold on, I've got a light. Yeah, there we go. We're going to put these in the shower because we actually have a heater that comes out there, and also we're hanging just our raincoats here and here, like just by the back of the shower. So hopefully if we turn the heater on, and his socks there, lovely. Turn the heater on, crack that window a little bit, and just close that room. It becomes like a bit of a dry room. Yeah. What's the plan now then? Are you gonna make dinner? Wine.
Am I gonna make dinner?
Yeah.
Is that the default?
Yeah.
Firstly, wine, which is stored down here. Jammy red room, get to know it. James's absolute favourite.
Lovely. To be fair, it's not that bad to dry the clothes. We thought it was going to be much worse than it is.
The hat.
Hats, wine, clothes in there, sorted. And then also I'm going to show you the projector that I didn't show you in the last one, which I did mention. So when we get cozy and we get in bed and we start watching films, I'll just show you what that looks like.
I literally think there's nothing better than coming in after a rainy walk and getting cozy, especially putting the slippers on, feeling good. Got my wine, gonna cook up some food, gonna get cozy.
She's not actually going to cook. She's going to get the air fryer out that we have underneath.
Yeah, me and James, we don't cook.
Air fryer out, put the chicken in, do some wraps, and then there's loads more snacks actually. This is turned
That's terrible.
This is turned into the snack cupboard, and I have got like this new kind of love for what's it. So I'm gonna have a pack now actually. Forget it. Oh no. Oh no, I must have more.
I think we should do, like, you could make a really like cinematic B-roll of me cooking up the chicken wraps to make it look like a chef.
Okay. I mean, it's an air fryer. What more do you want? You know. We've actually recently been watching these guys a lot, Steps to Adventure. They have a very good YouTube channel. They're currently roaming around Spain in their camper van, and I'm very jealous because the weather here is very different compared to the weather they're getting. So yeah, I know the edit of this is going to actually take me flicking ages, so I'm going to make this short and sweet. Okay, I'm done with this. Oh yeah, lovely.
Bon appetit.
I'm wrapping it myself, I guess.
Yeah.
We're still watching Steps to Adventure.
Yeah.
And jealous of their location.
She's only killed about 5 of these things.
2 left, and obviously Sun's been.
So we're cozy in bed. And I'm going to show you the projector screen that we have. Let's turn these lights off firstly. Also we have these funky bed lights. So we've got the projector here, yeah. And then we pull the curtain across, don't we? Oh yeah. And then we've got the projector screen at the end. And I've got sticky velcroed the control, which is here, up here. And then we just watch Interstellar, like that. If you want to see more of how this little trip goes, subscribe, drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it, and yeah, see you in the next one.